Now that we've got a row of chains, and I'm using a small row of chains just so that I can show you more than one row, how to turn your work and continue additional rows. But once you have your row of chains, we can learn the next basic stitch, and it's called the single crochet. And how you want to do your single crochet is, and some patterns call to go in different numbers of chains from the hook, but we're going to do this one where we actually insert the hook from the second chain from the hook. You can't go in the first one right here because that's where this loop is coming from, and all you would do there is simply undo your work if you went in there. So we have to go in the second chain. So here's the first one, here's the second one. We're going to insert our hook right here. Now, remember the yarn over strategy. Let me turn this so you can see it. All right, you're going to yarn over back to front. You see how that yarn is wrapped right across my needle right there. And then I'm going to pull it through that chain. I have 2 loops on my hook now instead of 1. Now I'm going to yarn over again from back to front. There we go. Hold my work. And now I'm going to pull it through both of the loops on the hook. All right, that's my first single crochet. Now, the next stitch you go into would be the next chain. You simply go in, you yarn over, grab that yarn with the hook, pull it through, again, 2 loops on the hook, yarn over, pull through both loops, and now you have 2 single crochets. You're going to continue this stitch, I'm going to keep going here, all the way across, going into each chain that you've made. And when you're finished, there you go, when you're finished doing your single crochets, if you've gone in, if you've started, that is, in the second chain from the hook, you're going to find that you're going to have 1 less number of single crochets than chains that you originally made. All right, now here's my last stitch, right here. And there's my row of single crochets. The way that you go on to your next row is you're going to chain 1. Again, remember that chain stitch. There we go. That's chain 1. And then you're going to simply turn the work around like this. All right. And you're going to go into the first single crochet stitch. Now, see that hole right there? Let's see if you can see that hole. That right there, that's your first single crochet stitch, all right? You're going to insert your needle there, and if you look on the top, I don't know if you can see that real well, there you go. You've got 2 strands of yarn that is on top of your needle, all right? You're going to yarn over and pull through that stitch, yarn over again, and then pull through both of those loops on your hook there, all right? You're going to go in the next single crochet. Yarn over again, pull through both loops on the hook. Alright, you're going to go in the next one. And again, pull through both loops. And as you see right here, you're building rows. You're going to continue row after row, repeating the same thing at the end of the row until you get your work either the correct length that's on your pattern, or until your project is as long or as wide as you need it. That is your single crochet.